Okay, we have just talked about kind of the theory of graphing a function. Now we're going to do a similar one, but we're going to flesh it out a little bit. We have less of the information done for us, and now we've got to try and fill in our table completely by ourselves and graph by ourselves as well. If you notice, example 2 on page 297, they give us a function. They actually have an equation for us, which we are more comfortable with, but it's going to be the same idea. I have y equals x plus 2, and now I'm going to create a table or a function table. I'm going to choose the values for x, so I'm just going to say 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to use the equation part, all right? Now, instead of x, I'm going to use the x that I chose. So here I'm going to use 0, and I'm going to have 0 plus 2. Here I'm going to use 1, and it's going to be 1 plus 2. Who can tell me what this one's going to be? 2 plus 2, very good. Next one. Excellent. And the last one? Excellent job, guys. Now I just have to add them. So the answer for 0 plus 2 is 2. Next one. Keep going. Very good. So we're getting the idea. Now we just have to remember. We have to remember that my coordinate pair is the x value along with the y value. So the first one's going to be 0, 2. The second one would be 1 and 3. Who can tell me the next one? One person. Terry. 2, 4. Very good. Who's got the next one? Sashaya. Well, just 3, 5. Very good. And one more. Manuel. 4, 6. Very good. Now all I have to do is to take these coordinate pairs and plot them. Okay? So I have the point 0, 2. So since I don't have a scale on here, anytime you're given a graph without a scale, what are you just going to assume? Yeah, you assume 1s. That's right, Nick. Every line would be worth 1. Okay, so I'm going to go over 0. Remember, the first one is x, so I'm traveling along the x-axis. 0 means I'm not going anywhere. 2 means up 2, so I've got 1 point here. 1, 3, over 1, up 3. And then 2, 4, etc., etc., until I've got all my points. And there I have my graph, and if I want to, I can draw a straight line. So what we've been able to do is just from a function, all they gave us is that little equation. I created my table. So from the function, I created my table. From my table, I got these coordinate pairs. And from the coordinate pairs, I plotted them on a graph and was able to draw my line. Okay? All right. What I'd like you to do is Trigonometrics B and C on, I think it's at the bottom of the page.